Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a baby's bottle on Dress to Impress. It is actually quite simple. Select the hot cocoa, and I'm just going to color it white. Actually, I might color it like lighter pink at the end, and then here I'm going to color it this darker kind of pink. You can color it anything you want, of course. Then I'm just going to go to this section and I'm just going to grab a pillow. And again, you can color it to whatever color you want. And that's pretty much it. You have this like baby's bottle, if you could just see that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.